Say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals.
You're watching 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀𝗚, Caribbean Queen, 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀𝗚, Caribbean Queen, 𝗙𝗶𝘁𝗀, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new over here, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, so I will be installing a wig that I got from Myfirstwig, and they're pretty much known for like their quality beginner friendly units. Let's just go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. So on the inside in this bag right here is our wig, and then they send you this is a melt band, some stocking caps. On the inside of this pouch right here, they provide you with some clips, some heavy duty clips, and also a rat tail comb. This is what your wig is looking like. Your wig already comes with the knots bleach. It comes with the combs on the inside and also an extra elastic band to tighten your unit. And as you guys can see, it does come pre-plucked for you, and also the knots are already bleached. No matter where I part it, it just looks like scalp. So I'm just going to go ahead and fix this part before I do anything else.
You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic, can we turn that look together? Come here, 'cause it's love. Hold you for me.
To lay my wig down, I'm going to be using the 𝗙𝗏𝘁𝗀𝗲𝗀 Lace Bond. And I'm just going to spray this all around the perimeter of my forehead. I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool setting, and I'm just going to dry this first layer. And now I'm going to repeat.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but everything go more. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
I'm just going to let that set and apply my melt band. I'm just going in with my wax stick just to tame these flyaways that's on the top of the wig.
You can never kill my vibe, but there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
melted. Absolutely beautiful. The hairline, wow. Super melted. The hair is super soft, super silky. I'm loving the two-tone color. This wig is absolutely perfect if you're a wig beginner and just a complete novice when it comes to wig, because all the work already comes done for you. You literally do not have to do any work at all when it comes to this unit. All you need to do is go ahead and install it, and that is pretty much it. Make sure you use a melt band on this unit. I won't say it's necessarily needed, but if you really want like that extreme melted look, I definitely recommend using the melt band. It just like makes a difference, you know? So yeah, this is pretty much what the wig is looking like. I'm absolutely in love. I'm in awe right now. The hair is super soft, super silky. So far I'm not getting any shedding from this unit. I did get my wig in a 20-inch and it is pretty long. Also for a 160 density, I would say that the hair is pretty full. Me personally, I don't like my hair too thick, so I feel like this density right here is just perfect for me. And yeah, this is what the hair is looking like, you guys. I love this install, and that is pretty much it on this wig. If you are interested in this unit, I will have all the details listed down below in the description box for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, share. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already to my channel. That way you would not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You see my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my